What's up guys, my name is Pillow. Welcome back to another video which I'm making a reaction, about the game they've been talking about, Hytale. So I will put in the description so you can watch the video with no interruption from me. So let's do it. Oh, look at that. Look, they got instruments in there, dudes, and they got better mushrooms than us. Yeah, look at those. It's like cute, more Cuban stuff, but better in Minecraft because they got good graphics. Look at that. I think I want to play this game already. Oh, there's a cute bunny. Look at that's a scarecrow, dude. Oh shoot, we got a better look at. This is better. Dude, that's a freaking dog. That's a cute corgi, dude. It's got a little scarf. I wish you can dye the scarf. So, it's much better than the others. And let's continue. Dude, oh look! Guys, you saw that a while ago? The roots is literally coming out of the plant. See, you saw that guy? There's roots coming out of the rocks. Then look at is that iron ore maybe? I think that's iron ore or copper. I think that's a new mineral there, like copper or maybe iron or something. It's coming out of the rock, so it's more, so you can see it better. Look at those torches, so much better. It's much better, dude. Oh wait, you see that kitty cat right there? It's grooming itself. And look at those swords. I wish you can enchant those swords in here, but it will change its physical form. So yeah, this is cool. With that little kitty cat grooming itself, that's awesome. Let's look at it more. Oh wait, that's an owl. I can see an owl right there, dude. It's a beautiful forest. Wait, what is that? I think I saw something back there. There for a while. And there it is. Is that a sloth? Then there's another slot fishing in there. There's a slot inside a cave. That's so cool. So look more. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, there's cacti right there. And oh my gosh, it's monsters. So that's your view when you're fighting, or first person or third person view. Whoa, that's a hot air balloon. Did you just guys saw a hot air balloon? That's awesome. Oh my goodness. And look at that sword, it's freaking flaming. He's riding on a ram, trying to beat that Yeti back there. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Wait, is that a pufferfish? Oh, that's pufferfish. And there's Nemo, Merlin, and Dory. What the heck? That's kind of like an Easter egg or something. Look at that pufferfish. I thought it was not a pufferfish, but when it puffed, oh my gosh, it just changes. Oh, sharks! I see sharks back there. Bats, over there, bats. That's a dungeon, that's so cool. Oh, goblin. Oh, you fell up there. Oh my gosh. This is how it feels when playing like that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. There's a chest inside there. Oh, thank you, servers. Yeah, thank you for that. Oh, guys, did you see Dante the M back there? And that Squishy and Stampy cat, but in human form or something. Yeah, that's so cool. Mini games. Wow, nice. Hunger Games, that's what. Extensive modding. Oh, there's a cute cacti. Whoa, that's a big golem or something. Nice, you can make your own. Oh, freaking movie theater. Oh my gosh. You can pay the world to make movies, live scripting. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just got the chills. This is so cool. So let's check out the website. We can see more, pictures about this. Okay guys, these are the first photos that we got. I think they're called Quebecs. Then fun fact about them too, I just heard it from a video that those are seeds which their parents planted them from inside them or something. I don't know, I forgot that. So that's like kids or babies. That's so cool. Okay, the next photo. Let's wait for it. There we go. That is freaking cool. That's a freaking crystal spider, bros. Look at that. Look how big it is. Trying to fight it. Then look under there. There's like a tree with that thing. Okay, let's pick the next. There you go, guys. The Quebecs. So you can just pause, guys, so you can see it. They got giant. Oh wait, no, that's a tiny slingshot right there and a firefly lantern. That's cool. And also, guys, sharks and Aquaman right there. Those are sharks and Aquaman. Looks like a hammerhead form of him, kelp. It's like a sunken ship with Aquaman right there. Then the next one is what they call the Void, which there's like giant monsters in there. You can see back there, guys. It's like giant, like there's like a dog and a knight back there. You can see it clearly. So, and guys, this is what I guess. I think those are the like loot from the mobs, maybe. I think those are the loot. Yeah, there's like a staff there, swords, bats. And yeah, shields. Yeah, that's definitely shields. Let's go for the next one, guys. And this probably is the water life concepts. There's piranha, man of wars, which is pretty, you know, poisonous, venomous like that. And a moray eel, which has 2 mouths. That's awesome. Freaking they got moray eels and piranhas in there. And then, guys, these are the dungeons and towers, which, you know, came from different worlds or something. That's from the frost things, the sand things, the insect bugs. That's it. Then I kind of don't know what this is, but it's called stone circles. It's like earth, fire, frost, and sand in there. Let's see that in the future updates or something. Next one, guys, is the plants. Look at these. There's magma flowers in there. And freaking cave plant, special flower, and more flowers we got no names. Yeah, I like this flower here. That's beautiful. It's like fire flower or something. Okay, guys, would you see this in the last part of the trailer? It's called the Void Dragon with just, you know, purple flames and skeleton-like body. Pretty scary, actually. And what the heck is this thing? It's Baron Spun something. And look at that, there's like Anticorn arm. There's just giant axe and tentacles right there. It's creepy, dude. That's like one of the monsters of item. And zombies. And are those zombies or skeletons? The middle one kind of looks like a zombie, while the 2 of those, the Dead Adventure and the Dead Praetorian, looks like, you know, skeletons, actually. Yeah, that's pretty much look like skeletons. And these are the real skeletons. There's like a mage in there. There's a wizard, sand warrior, frozen warrior, archer, and a soldier. That's freaking skeleton gears. Oh, that's awesome. Next one is these things. The one you saw in the trailer, guys. The bug from that dungeon or something. There's like tank in there and a larvae. And that's the freaking queen right there, the brood mother. There's like different stages from the worker, the locust. Oh, these are the different stages, by the way. The egg can turn to larvae, and between worker and soldier, they'll become like that. And that freaking queen is so fat and big. Next one, I think is actually the weapons for the players. I think that's the first weapons that we saw. And look, there's wands in there. Wands, daggers. I like the thorium, by the way. And ethereal dagger. That's awesome. And the chief cleaver. Yeah, I kind of like it. So let's move on. And next one, guys, if you can see a little bit closer, that's the void eye from that picture back then. I think that's the one. Look at it, got so many eyeballs. That's creepy. From the void, I think. And this is what I'm hoping up, guys. Look at that. Told you there are slots in there. Look at that, a slot village. And there's freaking a dinosaur there. That's a T-Rex. That's like a dino lake or something, like tropical jungle. Look at that caves. There's slots. And these are the actual dinosaurs. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that, there's Dimetrodons, raptor, macaque, prehistoric chicken, and a cave rex. It looks like a, you know, anglerfish? Yeah, that's an anglerfish. And next is the Kraken. Dude, Look how small you are. That's you? Then this is the freaking kraken and some kind of sharks right there. That is humongous. Oh my gosh, freaking monster. Let's check the next one. And next one is iconography research. Iconography research. That I don't really know what this is. Some kind of wind, void, earth, fire, water, and lightning. That's weird. It's like Torok runes or something. Yeah, let's see that in the game. Kinda. Oh, that's Gaia. I think that's one of the temples. Something. Yep. And these things. The freaking there's 5 worlds in Hytale. The Tor, Balan, Karpak, Nexus, Numdrassil, and the Orbis. Wow. I wish you can travel to different worlds. Something. So that's pretty much it, guys. So see you in the next reaction trailer or reaction video. So goodbye.